Here is something you'll absolutely love if you're a woodworker. You can get instant access to over 16,000 woodworking projects in the next 5 minutes or less. Ted has spent years putting together Earth's largest collection of woodworking plans. I'm talking about 16,000 done-for-you plans with step-by-step instructions, photos, and diagrams to make every project laughably easy. And the best part is, it doesn't matter if you don't have a large workshop or expensive tools. Here's everything you'll get. Instant access to all 16,000 projects with step-by-step details, drawings, plans, cutting and materials lists, and more. Lifetime membership access. Get access to an ever-growing database of plans in our members area. Lifetime free monthly plans. Get free plans every month with no recurring fees or other charges. Free custom plan request. Get a custom plan to your project drafted by our team of craftsmen. Woodworking guides and videos. You'll get access to an archive of detailed guides and video tutorials covering all the fundamentals of woodworking techniques. Drawing and CAD plan viewer. 150 premium woodworking videos. How to start a woodworking business. Complete woodworking guides. Plus, you'll get the option of getting everything on DVDs. You can be going through all the plans in just a few minutes from now.
Hey everyone, Barry here in Nebraska. I'd like to give a big shout out to Ted. I recently came across Ted's woodworking online course, and I'm so glad that I did. The amount of plans included with the program simply blew my mind. The content they offer with the course provided me with so many ideas for creative projects, as well as some awesome furniture ideas and plans that my wife now wants in our home. If you're considering buying Ted's woodworking course, the return on your investment will be lifelong. Being one that loves woodworking, I have to say they offer the most detailed collection of plans I've ever seen. I would also rank it as one of the best values of any woodworking course I've ever taken. Thanks for creating it, Ted. You did well.